So we'll take the pan off, and it's, I mean, these are, I only have these holding the pan on, so I don't have stink in the garage. More juice coming out. Don't get dirty, buddy. Don't get dirty. Can't send you home dirty. Let's put that there.
Beautiful new filter.
Yeah, then the filter, I've already loosened the filter, so we'll take that off. And then, apparently,
Play it in the pan.
well, I have a diagram that says which bolts should come out to get the body off. So I had it open before, so I disconnected the speed sensor.
Default body.
And it's this, all the ones with cycles, supposedly, and it will come off. Apparently there's two different sizes in there.
And what about this? Because it's
that's
all
just-
attached.
That comes out with it.
Oh, it does.
Alright, so it's this one. And then this one. And not that one. Where is it, that one? Shows that one.
That one, yes.
Or is it that
No,
one? The wrong
that
size?
one. That one.
That's the wrong size, though. Well, we'll
you
see.
said it was two different sizes.
Right, but only the ones that hold it are the 40s.
Well, that one is circle.
Yes, well, let's see what happens if we take out the rest of the 40s. Well, we'll go up here and start here. Right?
Well,
This
you
one?
just start from here.
Well, because where, over here?
Yeah, just go work your way around.
That's not
No,
a 40.
it's this.
Not the one in the corner, the one next to it.
Mm-hmm.
This is right from the transmission one that I think this one might be the only one holding it now. Maybe not.
No,
That's a short one.
Doesn't feel loose.
Alright.
That's okay.
Is that 40?
But it doesn't show that one to come out.
No, I'm looking for... It's all the ones that are supposedly 40s. But these all have... Huh. These diagrams suck. Oh wait, what's this one here? That's a 40.
And then this book here has that one marked.
Oh, there it
There
is.
you go.
Alright, so let's do this before we take it out though. Take out all the...
I'll hold it in place while you take
Okay.
it off.
Thank you. One short one in the corner. I think that's all of them.
There's another long one. Oh no,
Well, that one's
that's nothing there.
that's connected. Okay, this should come out now. Oh, and this one didn't get it all the way out.
And this needs to go.
In.
Is that something like this? Oh, there it goes. Yeah, see what?
There's
The
the
ball
ball
body
body.
is out.